All right, here we are. It's bread baking step 2. So we are going to make the levain right now. We've got our model Bailey here is working on it. And what Bailey's going to do is into a fresh jar, look at that, fresh jar, she's going to take 45 grams of our starter that we created in step 1, or that we fed in step 1, and she's going to put about 45 grams of the starter into this new little fresh 750 milliliter jar that we have. Now what she's going to do next is she's going to take, oh, there's some extra lighting. She's going to take 45 grams of white flour and 45 grams of whole wheat and put that in as well. So again, 45 grams of the initial sourdough starter, and 45 grams of white, 45 grams of brown. Put it all in together. How's it coming along, Bailey?
Good. Can I zero it between? I don't want the camera on me.
Yes, you can zero it between. That's what I always do, is I always zero it out. Okay, all right, 45 grams of whole wheat now. Lovely. Okay, and then we're just gonna get roughly room temperature water. It doesn't really matter. Just not too hot, because super hot will kill the yeast, right? So that's the only thing we really want to avoid is too hot and too cold. Too cold will not allow the yeast to act, and too hot will kill it. So now we're gonna put 90 grams of water in. There we go. All of these things can be pretty approximate, within plus or minus, kind of 4 or 5 grams or so. All right, and then so we're done with it. Put all our ingredients in.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so we got to stir it all up now. Nice. So, just so everybody knows, we are stirring up our original portion of our original starter, and then a whole bunch of fresh flour and water. And so what this will do then is this will create our levain. We will use this stuff in our actual first step of our bread making. So Bailey's going to stir it up vigorously, and once she's done that, then what we'll do is we'll place the elastic band so that it's kind of measuring the top of the starter, and then we'll just gently place a little lid on top of it when we're done. See, like that? We'll just place a little lid on it, and we'll set it aside for the evening. Okay, all right, sounds good, everyone.